quick demo of the Hoover Spin Scrub SteamVac carpet cleaner. Already done a little bit of the carpet, but 2 dogs and 2 kids, I'm sure we've got plenty of stuff to come up. I haven't used it in a couple of months, so I'm sure it really needs it. Here we go. See there, quite a difference. You saw the dirty water being sucked up. Very simple to use. I actually microwave water, probably not supposed to do that, I should say that. But you do use some hot water in here with your solution that you can also buy on Amazon. This is your dirty water tank. When it gets filled, it will make a kind of a high-pitched sound and it'll stop suction, so you know you can dump it very easy. Pop it out, pop it back in. Same with this, pop it out, pop it back in. Here's your hand tool, powered hand tool, which I basically use for like couch cushions, fabrics like that. You attach that to this hose. Here in the back, you see how it all kind of goes together. Here's another small power tool. I use that less often than the other one. And nice long hose that comes with it, nice long cord. Very nice machine, gets the job done. I recommend it. I actually have the Hoover Floor Mate hard surface cleaner as well. I just bought it a couple weeks ago and I love it. Also, there's a review in my reviews for that as well, a video review. Good luck.